Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 Subject EVS Lesson number 4 Water Safe for Drinking. Methods of cleaning water. There are three methods of cleaning water. First one is settling, second is swirling alum, third is filtration. Now we will see the first method of cleaning, that is settling. You can do this at home. Take some muddy water in a big beaker. If you do not find muddy water, then make some by adding some soil, pieces of dry twigs, straw, leaves, etc. to water. Now allow this beaker to stand still for 4 or 5 hours. What do you see? The particles of soil sink in the water and form a layer or sediment at the bottom. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment to form. What does this tell us? Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. Leaves, twigs, etc. are lighter than water. Now the water appears much cleaner and transparent than it was. The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. Without disturbing the sediment, pour the water above it into two smaller beakers. Even though this water appears much cleaner than before, there are still some fine particles of soil and some rubbish floating in it. Carry out this experiment using these two beakers 1 and 2. Second is swirling alum. Take a piece of alum and swirl it once in the water in the first beaker. Leave this beaker undisturbed for 2 or 3 hours. What do you see? The particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom, and the water in the upper part becomes transparent. The twigs and the straw still keep floating on the water. What does this tell us? Swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Third is filtration. Take another beaker. Place a tea strainer over it. Fold a piece of fine cotton cloth into 4 layers. Make it moist and spread it over the strainer. Now pour the water in beaker 2 in a thin stream on the folds of the cloth. What will you see? The rubbish and soil particles remain on the cloth. The water collects in the beaker below. It looks transparent. What does this tell us? If we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. After doing this experiment, throw the water into the soil and wash your hands with soap and clean water. Here is new term. Potable water means water safe for drinking. Water that does not endanger our health in any way when we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. We have seen some methods of making muddy water clean and transparent. However, such water may still not be potable. What we have learned: in order to obtain clean water, muddy water is allowed to settle. After settling, the water is cleaned further by swirling alum in it or by filtration. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.